All right, here's a short video for solving ROR5. The question reads, 2 years ago, you purchased a stock for $33. The annual rates of return during the subsequent 2 years are 27% and minus 54%. What is today's stock price? Well, in this question, what you're trying to do, what you're basically trying to accomplish is I have a value from 2 years ago, and I want to show what the future value of that is today, given two interest rates or two rates of return, 27% and negative 54%. So we know that the future value of some cash flow is going to equal the present value of some cash flow times 1 plus the interest rate or the rate of return raised to the n. We saw that from our lump sum formula. And so, well, we want to know what the future value is. That is today's stock price. And we're given the stock price 2 years ago, and that's $33. Now I'm given two different interest rates, the rates of return. The 27%, that was the rate of return 2 years ago, and negative 54%, that was the rate of return last year. So using this formula, I can say that today's stock price is going to equal yesterday's stock price, PT minus 1, times 1 plus the ROR last year, right? This is basically my future value. This is my present value. This is my rate of return. But I can even further clarify that, and I could say, well, the price last year, PT minus 1, that was actually the price 2 years ago, PT minus 2, times 1 plus the rate of return 2 years ago, RORT minus 2, all that times 1 plus RORT minus 1. And we know all that information here. We know the price 2 years ago was $33. I multiply that by 1 plus the rate of return 2 years ago, which again was 27%, 0.27. And then I multiply that by 1 plus the rate of return 1 year ago. We know that was negative 54%, negative 0.54. And then we simply solve this out. And so now I know that I'm going to have 1.27, and I'm going to multiply that by 0.46. I'm going to multiply all that by 33, and I get, forgive me, I get $19.28, or E. Hope that helps.